Alright, in this video we're going to talk about the steps you take to make a collagraph plate for a printing or for rubbing printing. And step number one is that you're going to come up with a shape, and the shape has to have plenty of details. I am working on a 6x9 piece of paper, and we are going to make sure that this thing is about the size of our hand or larger. And that when you do this, it has plenty of details. So this one, the hot dog has the buns, it has the hot dog itself and the mustard, so it lends itself to plenty of details. And so I've put it on the paper. That's step number one. Step number two is you are going to transfer it to the tag board. And so you're going to take your pencil, or pen in this case, and you're going to trace over it, okay, and go over these lines with a decent amount of pressure so that you cause a groove in the paper. Now, you cannot see my grooves because they're really, really light. And so the next step, the next trick I'm going to show you is to use a little pencil over the top of this to make the grooves stand out. What I mean by that is the grooves are in here. All I need to do now is to take my pencil and go over the top of it. And when I do that, you can start to see the lines that I created when I pushed down and caused the pressure. And so I will put this up to the camera just a little bit more so you can see these lines here. Alright, once you have those lines in, then the next step is to cut this shape out. And I already have that done. So I've cut this out, and you can see what I did exactly as I scribbled over. And you can still see the lines in this. But right now, I just cut around the edge of my hot dog with the buns and everything. I didn't cut any details out yet. So that is the first part of that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to glue this down on another piece of tag board. So I'm just going to glue it right on there. When you glue it down, make sure you use plenty of glue. So we're going to use glue sticks. And so we're just going to put it all around, especially around the edges. And this is the first part of making your plate. So just go ahead and put it down. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create some raised areas so it's ready to print.